Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, your girl hair is a mess. So in today's video we are going to be curling my hair the way I curl it. So yeah, that's today's video. I have no makeup on, obviously, as you can see, and my eyebrows look ugly as fuck. So that's today's video. We're gonna curl my hair, and then after curling my hair for another video, I'm gonna go ahead and film a makeup tutorial. But in today's video is going to be of how it's gonna be on how I curl my hair tutorial. So anyways, if you want to know, if you want to see how I curl my hair, continue on watching. Okay you guys, so I just got out the shower. My hair is somewhat dry, so I'm gonna go, well, I actually added some, so I added some IGK New York Mia LA Good Behavior protein smoothing spray. Whoa, hey, ding 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 ding. Right here, focus camera. Focus, 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 focus. There we go. So like I was saying, I actually put on the protein smoothing spray. It's a treatment. It can 24-hour freeze. Oh, sorry, let me reread that. It's a keratin like treatment in a can, 24-hour frizz control. So you could either like spray this with you could spray this over mist, damp, or dry hair. So my hair is wet, so we're just gonna go ahead and do that. It says how to get it. Mist over damp or dry hair in sections. Comb through, ensure every strain is coated, blow dry, finish with a flat iron for best results. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clip up my hair. So like I said, I'm not going to I'm going to straighten it, because that's how I really that's my process on curling my hair. Like, I have to like straighten it first for my curls to come out okay. I don't really like curl them just like that, because my hair is like really like, ooh, I don't know how to describe my hair. It's not curly. Well, it is like in between curly and wavy hair, but it's horrible. Like, my ends are so horrible right now. Like, I really need to freaking cut my hair. Like, I'm really planning on cutting my hair like really short, so I can get rid of all that dead, all of the split ends, because my hair is like really horrible. I have a lot of hair falling out, and that is no bueno. So okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some smooth and shine heat protection spray from Dove. Also, like, I'm wanting to go back to blonde, so yeah, so that's why I'm trying to cut my hair as much as I can, because I'm really trying to go back to the blonde. I miss the blonde. Stylist said that I have to make sure my hair is cut, because I don't want to keep, you know, because I did damage my hair. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like, we straight up bleached it, and that was the worst mistake of my life, bleaching it. I should have just done the process, but I mean, your girl just wanted blonde hair. And I had like nice long hair, but ever since I damaged it, it's just like, I don't know if you have been a subscriber since day one. I did have blonde hair, so that's the color I am trying to go back to. So if you are a day one subscriber, then you should know what I'm exactly trying to go back to. If you're a recent subscriber, oops, I forgot to add some spray. I'll add it right now. If you're a recent subscriber, if you go back to my videos, my old ones, I do have blonde hair. So yeah, straightened my hair off camera because this video is really like, we're going to be curling my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair off camera. I'm gonna first show you, well yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how this little spray right here helps it become like really nice, smooth or whatever. And we're gonna talk about that, and we're gonna go ahead and do our curls. And let me go ahead and straighten my hair and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, so I am back. My hair, it is straightened, and you see how this little spray right here leaves it so freaking shiny. Big thumbs up, girl. Okay, so hair is done. I kind of want to leave it straightened, but no, I'm tired of having straightened hair and I need to do some curls. Okay, so for curler, I'm going to be going in with the Sutra Beauty. It's like a really small curler. I got this from my BoxyCharm, and I don't know why I smelled it. I got that from my BoxyCharm, and it's been working really good. Just a little bit. There we go. It's been working really good with me. You know what's the bad thing? I forgot some spray. So I got my hairspray. So the hairspray I usually use is Tresemme. It's a compressed micro mist. It's a texture hold level. It's a lightweight coverage. So this is what I use. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes like I do it before and after. Well, I do, sometimes I do it like if I want to curl my hair, I usually spray it first. But then sometimes I usually spray at the end as soon as the curl is done. So I don't know what way to really do it. So we're just gonna go ahead and spray it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it after the curl is done. So let me go ahead and part my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and start with this side, and I grab just a little small piece of it, like that's good enough right there, and then start curling away. Wait. Ah! Okay. Okay, let's see. And I just leave it there for like 30 seconds. Boom. And ahí está mi chinito. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it. Grab another piece. This is gonna be a little minute. All right, you guys, so I'm on the last little pieces of hair. Last one. Let's go. I'm so tired. My arms are so tired. Voila. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and spray my hair one more time because it looks Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grab my curls and just like break them apart. Split them apart, not break them, split them. Or just do that, way easier. Wow, girl. You have nice hair. I know, thank you. Okay. So there you go. It still looks ratchet. Alright, so that's 1E2. Okay. That's good, right? Yep. Muy bueno. Make sure my hair is supported right. All right, so yeah, that's the pelo. All right, so that was really quick and really short, so I'm gonna go ahead and do also an eyebrow tutorial on this since we really ain't got much on the video. So yeah, so what I use is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and then I also, to fill in, well, to do my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, if I can find it. I can't use no other one. Oh, here it is. It was right in front of my face. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with my Morphe little eyebrow brush. I'm just gonna brush up the little hairs, and we're gonna grab another flat. We're gonna grab a flat brush. We're gonna grab the concealer, and I always first like to outline my brows. I don't know, it's just something I do a lot. People will outline it last to clean it up, but I do it first. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Dip Brow, and I'm in the color Ebony. I'm just gonna grab. Yeah. Let's do this. So I start from the top, fill that in. Okay, so all of a sudden I got glitter all over me. I don't know how, but anyways guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, drop some comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.